Dear students, welcome to Dabad Academy. In this video, we will share with you in brief answer key for English section of All India Sainik Schools Entrance Exam, Class 6 entry. Now, the answer key we are about to share is for set B, B for Bravo. So you can cross check answers for individual questions if you had section A Alpha, C Charlie, D Delta. Now, because बाकी के तीन sections में questions के serial number different है but questions same है. Now, as usual, English section starts with passage comprehension. So after reading passage, answer for question number 76 is option number 3. Option number 3, the humans were quarrelsome and didn't respect the gods. So option number 3 is correct. In question number 77, the correct option is option number 4. In question number 78, the correct option is option number 2. Moving on to the next one, fill in the blanks with most appropriate option. In question number 79, we studied about dash Roman Empire in the school. So correct answer is option number 3, the. In question number 80, there was no one else in the room dash Colin. So Colin is the name of the person. So except Colin. In question number 81, the news is all dash. Rearrange the following words, phrases to make meaningful sentences. Choose the correct sequence. In question number 82, the correct answer is second option. After rearrangement to make meaningful sentence. In question number 83, the correct option is option number 3. BDECA. Moving on to the next one. In question number 84, it is quite warm. Dash. Use a question tag. So in question number 4, the correct option is 3. Isn't it? In question number 85, leave your bags at the gate. Identify the type of sentence. So this is an imperative sentence. In question number 86, near the equator, the sun dash greater quantities of water. So the sun evaporates greater quantities of water. So this is a basic question on science as well, because equators receive the highest radiation. Now moving on to question number 87. In question number 87, choose the correct spelling. So the correct spelling is, this was an easy question. Option 3 is correct. In question number 88, today is the dash day of my life. So more important, less important, important and most important. So since they are using the, so the correct option is option number 4, the most important. In question number 89, poets are known to fly in their heads. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underline. So in question number 89, the correct is soar. So soar means it's a term used in flying, SOAR. In question number 90, do as directed. There are some diseases that are inherited, so you have to find out the kind of noun, right? So in question number 90, the correct option is disease. So disease is a common noun. In question number 91, after school you and dash must discuss a few things. So in question number 91, correct answer is, this is incorrect, incorrect, this is correct. Option number 3 is correct. Moving on to question number 92, the captain dash along with the players. Okay, so in question number 92, was present, was presenting, no. Have been presenting, no. Has been presenting, no. So correct answer is option number 1. So this is the correct answer for question number 92. In question number 93, we have choose the word that means the opposite of mortal. Mortal means the person who can die. So opposite means antonym. Okay, so antonym is unmortal, no. Immortal, right. So option number 2 is correct. In question number 93. In question number 94, a dash of thieves was caught by the police. So the correct answer is pack. A pack of thieves. In question number 95, it has become his habit to dash, do his homework and then copy it from. Okay, so then So examiner says that then copy it from others. Okay, so it means never. He never completes his homework, and he has this habit that he never completes his homework. In question number 96, there were several dash at the conference. So in 96, the correct answer is woman. So MEN, WOMEN represents plural. In question number 97, to beat around the bush means to turn violent against stranger, no. To avoid saying something because it is uncomfortable, right. So option number 2 is correct. In question number 98, my father is a bookworm. He dash books to films and books. So he prefers. So the correct answer is option number 3. In question number 99, choose the most appropriate option. Which of the following options is the meaning of the word exhausted? So exhausted, of course, it is a very common word used for थकान के लिए यूज किया जाता है. So very tired. And the final question, a confectioner is a person who sells sweets. So this is the answer. Alright, that's all for English portion. Remaining subjects की separate videos भी soon available हो जाएंगे आपके पास. Remaining subjects के solution videos of 2021 के लिए you can subscribe to Dabur Academy channel and press bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for your precious time. Jai Hind.